Welcome back to Ethan Facts. Today, we're uncovering some incredible and little-known facts about one of nature's smallest but most fascinating creatures, the vole. These tiny rodents may not get as much attention as other animals, but they play a huge role in our ecosystem, and there are so many surprising things to learn about them. So without further delay, let's get started. 1. Voles are small rodents related to lemmings and muskrats. 2. There are over 150 species of voles worldwide. 3. Voles are sometimes mistakenly called meadow mice or field mice. 4. They have a rounded, stocky body with a short tail, small ears, and small eyes. 5. Voles are herbivores, feeding primarily on grasses, roots, and seeds. 6. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by serving as prey for a variety of predators. 7. Voles are known for their prolific breeding. A single female can have multiple litters in a year. 8. Each litter typically contains 3 to 8 young voles. 9. Voles have a short lifespan, generally living only 3 to 6 months in the wild. 10. Voles create extensive burrow systems underground, which can be up to several feet deep. 11. They are active year-round, even during the winter when they tunnel beneath the snow. 12. Voles have a high metabolism and must eat frequently to survive. 13. Some species of voles are known to be monogamous, forming lifelong pair bonds. 14. Voles can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and wetlands. 15. The most common vole in North America is the meadow vole, Microtus pennsylvanicus. 16. Voles are a keystone species, meaning their presence greatly influences the ecosystem they inhabit. 17. Voles can cause significant damage to crops, gardens, and trees due to their feeding habits. 18. Vole populations can boom and bust in cycles, often peaking every 3 to 5 years. 19. Voles are often mistaken for moles, but unlike moles, they primarily eat plants, not insects. 20. They have a gestation period of about 3 weeks. 21st. Voles communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including squeaks and chirps. 22. Their burrows often have multiple entrances and exits for easy escape from predators. 23. Voles' teeth grow continuously, so they must gnaw on hard materials to keep them from overgrowing. 24. They have a strong sense of smell, which they use to find food and navigate their environment. 25. Voles are a common prey item for hawks, owls, foxes, and snakes. 26. They can reproduce when they are as young as 3 weeks old. 27th. Voles have a relatively simple diet, but can sometimes eat insects and other small invertebrates. 28. The European water vole, Arvicola amphibius, is often found near rivers and streams. 29. Voles can cause damage to lawns by creating surface runways that kill the grass. 30. Some vole species are adapted to live in harsh alpine environments. 31. Voles are capable swimmers, and some species can travel through water in search of food or to escape predators. 32nd. Voles have a high reproductive rate to compensate for their short lifespan and high predation rates. 33. The red-backed vole, Myodes, is known for its reddish-brown fur and is commonly found in boreal forests. 34. Voles do not hibernate, remaining active and searching for food even in winter. 35. They have a keen sense of hearing, which helps them detect approaching predators. 36. Voles are important in seed dispersal, helping to spread the seeds of plants they consume. 37. The prairie vole, Microtus ochragaster, is well known for its monogamous mating behavior. 38th. Voles' burrowing activities can improve soil aeration, benefiting plant growth. 39th. Voles have a unique gait, often described as a waddling or shuffling movement. 40. They have small ears that are often hidden by their fur. 41. Voles can be found on every continent except Antarctica and Australia. 42. They are often considered pests due to their tendency to damage crops and gardens. 43rd. Voles are most active during the evening and early morning hours. 44. Voles are known to dig tunnels under the snow in winter to stay warm and search for food. 45. The bank vole, Myodes gladiolus, is a common species in Europe and is known for its reddish-brown fur. 46. Voles can produce a scent to mark their territory and communicate with other voles. 47. They have sharp claws that help them dig through soil and snow. 48. Voles can gnaw on tree bark, potentially girdling and killing young trees. 49. The life cycle of a vole is fast-paced due to their short lifespan and rapid reproduction. 50. Voles can carry diseases such as hantavirus, which can be transmitted to humans. 51. Their fur color can vary depending on the species and the environment they live in. 52nd. Voles often use existing tunnels and burrows created by other animals. 53rd. Voles' tunnels can create air pockets in the soil, which can lead to soil erosion in some areas. 54. Voles can be found in both rural and urban environments, often living in gardens and parks. 55. The tundra vole, Microtus economus, is adapted to live in cold, Arctic environments. 56. Voles have a relatively short gestation period, allowing them to reproduce quickly. 57. They are known to store food in their burrows for winter use. 58. Voles can cause problems for farmers by damaging crops such as grains, vegetables, and fruit trees. 59. The mountain vole, Alticola, is adapted to living at high altitudes in mountainous regions. 60th. Voles' incisors are orange due to the presence of iron in the enamel. 61. Voles can live in close proximity to humans without being easily noticed. 62. They play an important role in controlling the population of their prey species, such as insects and seeds. 63. Voles' populations can fluctuate dramatically due to environmental factors such as food availability and predation. 64. Voles are often used in scientific research due to their fast reproduction and simple care requirements. 65. The southern red-backed vole, Myodes gaperi, is found in North America's boreal forests. 66. Voles have a strong territorial instinct and can be aggressive toward intruders. 67. They are more likely to be active above ground when the weather is overcast or during the night. 68th. Voles can gnaw on underground cables, causing damage to utilities. 69. The European pine vole, Microtus subterraneus, lives mostly underground and is rarely seen above ground. 70th. Voles can be attracted to gardens with dense vegetation, which provides food and cover. 71st. Voles' burrows can have several chambers used for nesting and food storage. 72. Voles can be affected by parasites such as fleas, mites, and ticks. 73. The singing vole, Microtus murus, is known for its high-pitched vocalizations used for communication. 74. Voles are preyed upon by a variety of animals, including birds of prey, mammals, and reptiles. 75. The water vole is sometimes referred to as the water rat due to its resemblance to rats. 76. Voles' surface runways can be easily spotted in lawns and fields as narrow, winding paths. 77. The vole's name comes from the Old Norse word voller, meaning field. 78. Voles' teeth are specialized for gnawing on tough plant material, such as roots and bark. 79. Voles are often trapped or poisoned by farmers to protect crops. 80. The singing vole is unique among voles for its complex vocalizations, which are used for social interactions. 81st. Voles are often mistaken for other small mammals like shrews and mice. 82nd. Voles' burrows provide shelter for other small animals, such as insects and amphibians. 83. The field vole, Microtus agrestis, is one of the most widespread species in Europe. 84. Voles are known to create complex tunnel systems that can cover large areas. 85. The population of voles can impact the population of their predators, leading to cycles of boom and bust. 86. Voles can be found in a wide range of climates, from temperate forests to Arctic tundras. 87. Voles are important for soil health, as their burrowing activities help aerate the soil. 88. Some species of voles are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss and other environmental factors. 89. Voles can live in family groups or solitary, depending on the species and environmental conditions. 90. Voles' fur is often thick and dense, providing insulation in cold climates. 91. The California vole, Microtus californicus, is one of the most common vole species in the western United States. 92. Voles' rapid reproduction can lead to population explosions under favorable conditions. 93. Voles have poor eyesight and rely heavily on their sense of smell and hearing to navigate and find food. 94. Voles' burrows can include multiple nesting sites, food caches, and escape tunnels. 95. Voles are important prey for many endangered species, making their conservation critical for maintaining biodiversity. 96. The social structure of voles can vary widely between species, with some being highly territorial and others more social. 97. Voles' burrowing habits can create microhabitats that benefit other small animals and plants. 98. Voles can adapt to a wide range of environments, from wetlands to dry grasslands. 99. Voles are often more active during cooler parts of the day, such as early morning and late evening. 100. The European water vole has been reintroduced in several areas as part of conservation efforts to restore wetland ecosystems. Guys, let us know in the comments which vole fact surprised you the most. We'd love to hear what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch more interesting and surprising facts like these. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.